Hello YouTube, and welcome to my first video back from a far too long and unannounced break. I was extremely busy with school, finals, and final projects that adding YouTube into the mix of my life would have been extremely overwhelming. So to those of you who have stayed with me and will continue to watch my videos, I would like to thank you. But looking into the future, I plan on uploading 2 times a week. One video will be some form of Java tutorial because those seem to be a big hit on my channel and you guys seem to be enjoying those. But the other video will be what I did in that week of game development. I'm starting over, I'm going to start a new project, so I need to think of something to do before I begin development, but that is going to be a big part of my YouTube channel, is the game development and what I'm working on. Right now I am following a tutorial on making Flappy Bird in LWGL 3 just to familiarize myself with it. So I might show that off next week. I'm just following a tutorial, so it's not going to be that extremely amazing, but I will show that off. But I have not decided on the days when I will upload, but I will upload 1 to 2 times a week. Once again, I would like to thank all of you for staying with me and watching my videos. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because I do promise I will upload more and have more meaningful things. My first upload will be tomorrow with a Java tutorial. I just need to decide what to teach you guys. But that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys and have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.